Hello guys and welcome again to Webcraft. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I used an AI website builder to create this simple but elegant looking wedding invitation website which you can create for your upcoming wedding or that for a friend or a family member. So if you take your time to go through this website, you can see we have wedding details which features the when, the where, the dress code. We have our story, we have a part for gallery, and then we have a part for joiners where people can RSVP for this event. So if this is something that you're looking to learn, then stick and stay to the end of the video. Let's create this simple website. Now the first thing we need to do is go to lovable.dev. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now if you don't have an account already, just go ahead and click get started and you'll be required to create an account. So go ahead and create an account for yourself. So after creating your account, this is what you are presented with. Now all we need to do is give Lovable a prompt to work with. So we need to tell the AI what we want to build and be very descriptive as possible, as you know with AI prompts. Now before we go ahead and type something in, I just want to show you something in here. So if you scroll down, you can see that Lovable already has some templates that you can work off of. If you don't have anything in mind or you want something that you can work off quickly as possible, there are a number of themes that you can see in here. So you can see we have websites, we have personal, we have consumer, a whole lot that you can choose from, or a whole lot of categories that you can choose from. So if you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of options that you can go for. Now if you come back up in here, you can see ask Lovable to create something in here for you. Now because you want to be very descriptive to get the very best results, I'll highly encourage you first go off into ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT to give you a very descriptive prompt. So in here you can see I put in a description of what I want to build in here, that ChatGPT should write me a prompt for Lovable AI website builder, and I want to build a one-page wedding invitation website for Flynn and Ruby, and then I told it to use burgundy and cream colors. Forgive my spelling of burgundy. And then I gave it the date of the event or the date of the program. So after I hit enter, ChatGPT gives me a very descriptive prompt that I can give to Lovable AI website builder. So this is what it gave me, and then you can now go in here and copy this, come back to Lovable and paste the whole thing in here. Now you can change a few things in here if this is not descriptive enough for you, and add in more details as you wish. Now after you do this, just go ahead and click on enter. Now after you click enter, you can see that it says in here that the AI website builder is thinking. So let's give it a couple of minutes for it to work on the prompt we've given it, and let's see what it comes up with. So this is what we got in here. As you can see, looks a bit similar to what we built earlier, but almost the same colors and theme as you can see in here. So you can see we have the same wedding details, but I think rearranged in a different order. There's a part that says our story, so we need to some changes to this part of the image, and maybe you can put your own picture over here, and then you have some pictures of the couple also in here, and then people can also RSVP. So when they click, they can it takes them to their email address where they can easily send you an email to RSVP. And then there's an email address that you can also edit and place in here as well. So this is looking very good. We can go ahead and make modifications or edit this website in here. So this is just a preview. If you want to see the whole website, you can just click on the hide sidebar in here, and you can preview and see the whole website looking very, very beautiful in here. So you can go ahead and add so many sections, but the only thing is Lovable only has you only have 5 credits per day that you can use for the free account. So we are on the free account right now. If you want to upgrade or add more credits to it, you can go ahead and click on upgrade now. And in here we can see the pricing plans in here that you can go for. There's pro, there's business, there's enterprise. So you can go ahead and go for any of these plans to add more credits to your account. So let's go ahead and publish this website. So just come here, click on publish. So you can go ahead and use the subdomain for Lovable. So that means that whatever your website URL is, it will have lovable.ai or lovable.dev at the end. If you want to get a custom domain, you can also do that by purchasing a domain and linking it to this website. So for starters, let's go ahead and click publish. Let's wait for a few minutes. So as you can see, our URL is lovableunites.lovable.app. So let's go ahead and copy this URL and open a new tab and paste it in here. So let's see what we've got. So as you can see, this is what we have at the moment. And if you want to see how it will look on different devices, you can also do that. So heading back to the Lovable dashboard, you can see this icon in here says show tablet view. So if you click on that, this is how it will look on a tablet device. If you click again, this is how it will look on a mobile phone. So you can see it's actually responsive. So let's head on back and let me show you the one I did earlier or did previously. Go back to the dashboard and you can see this is what I built earlier with Lovable. So this is the earlier version of what I built. You can see this is how it looks on and I think I prefer this one to the one we just did. I think the picture in the hero section is much better. And if you click again, this is how it will look on a mobile device. So you can see it's actually responsive. So if you don't actually have money to buy a custom domain, which you can here, so let's just give it a try. Click on custom domain. So if you already have an existing domain elsewhere, you can link that up. Let me know if you would want me to do a video on how you can link your custom domain to this, and I'll be happy to do that. If you don't have one that you've purchased already, you can also buy a new domain right in here on Lovable. So this is add an existing domain or purchase a new domain. So let's go to purchase a new domain, and you can see it says you can do that, but before you are able to do the domain purchase, you need to actually upgrade your Lovable account. So look out for a video very soon that I'll do that. I'll show you how to link up a custom domain to Lovable. So let's head on back, go to the desktop view, and this is what we have. So if you want to actually make changes to the right tab and everything in here, you can actually do that by going to visual edits. So the moment you do that, you can see this becomes editable. But because I have 0 credits in here, I'm not able to do the changes. But if you have some credits or if you upgrade your account, you can actually click in here and just type in the prompt of what you want to do, and the AI will just go ahead and do the modifications for you. So if you want to change this, you can actually do that and put in here what you want to do. You can change the texts in here. You can actually also change the images that you have in here. If you want to delete also, you can click in here and then you can delete as well. Now, what I love about this AI builder tool also is that it keeps a history of all the edits that you do. So if you come in here, you can see view history, and with just a click, you can go back to any of the changes that you made, depending on the time that you made the changes. So just a click on this and it will take you back to how the website was before you made that change actually. So there you have it. This is a very simple and a very effective way you can use the Lovable AI website builder to create amazing websites for yourself or for your personal use. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video for more content like this. I hope to see you in the next